How to start a window cleaning business. 240 bucks for this house right here. It's a 2-story house, and honestly I don't like doing 2-story houses, but I've had this client forever, so I'm just gonna get it done. Alrighty, so here's the front of the house. And then on the side of the house right there, they got 2 window panes. That's it. Easy house to do. Super easy house to do, honestly. Then I'm done. All right, guys, so I just finished this last window here. It's just that one right there. It's the upper window panes. Quick, easy money. 240 bucks. An hour worth of work. And that's it. You guys can do this too. You know what I mean? I think the last time when I quoted this client, it was like 4 years ago. And I charged him $240. And that was honestly because it's a 2-story house. And I honestly just don't like doing 2-story homes. So I was like, it's $240. She was like, oh my gosh, when can you come? You know what I mean? So if you're giving a quote and somebody tells you no, or tells you that, you know, what I honestly often hear is, oh wow, you're ridiculous, or something like that. You know, you guys can't let that stop you guys. You guys gotta keep trying your prices here and make sure that you guys can go ahead and charge what you guys want to charge. Don't let a couple people, or in my case, don't let several, I've been doing this for like 9 years. How many people told me that I'm ridiculous? Honestly, I don't know. I'd probably say it's safe to say, like, I've heard it at least like 70 times, to be honest with you. 70 times I've been told that my prices are ridiculous, and I'm gonna price myself out of communities and blah blah blah. Who cares? Honestly, I'm still standing here, you guys. I may be fat and overweight, but I'm still standing. You know, a lot of companies will come and go. A lot of people are gonna give up and say, oh, I can't make money cleaning windows, or I can't make my own business happen and stuff like that. And you guys can't give up like that. You guys just got to keep on going. And that's what I did. I knew I wanted to like charge ridiculous prices, to be honest with you. And that is what it is. You know, I don't want to sit here and work my tail off here and work for peanuts, you know? I'm not an elephant. I want to make money. I want to be able to go out on the weekends. I want to be able to enjoy life and not just be working to pay bills or survive out here. I want to live, you know? I want to feel alive, and every weekend I feel alive. Kid you not. Well, wait, let me backtrack a little bit. I would say for the last like 4 years, I been feeling alive. You know what I mean? That's because I had to get my finances in order and my investments and all that good stuff. Then you can, you know, let all that hard work and your energy and efforts, the prices that you're charging really show, and be like, wow, like, you know, every single day you're making about on average like $800, $1,000, sometimes $1,200. It's not even a big deal to me. As long as I get close to like honestly, I'm happy with like 900 bucks a day. I really am. If I make like around 860, 900 bucks, whatever the case is, I'm more than happy with that. Cause I ain't got no bills, you know? I'm not out here like, spending money foolishly, because I've already done that and I've already lived that. So, I just want to share that with you guys. Like, once you guys start making good money, you guys got to maintain your existing lifestyle. Like, don't go out there and go buy a new Raptor truck like the one I'm dying to get. You know what I mean? Reinvest it in your business and make your job easier. Marketing for, on Google Ads, to where you can get the right clientele that, can afford your services and all that good stuff. And, honestly, this is what you guys want to do, reinvest it in your business. And that's it. Look at this, like this little neighborhood right here. It's called Desert Falls, and what is it, Palm Desert, I think. It's a nice community. I didn't even have my water fed pole set up today. I did this whole house by hand. Honestly, I was just being lazy today, and I didn't want to get my water for this house here. I knew I only had that one window to worry about, and I was just gonna do it by hand. So that's exactly what I did. You guys don't need a water fed pole to make money. You guys can do it traditionally. That's the way I started. And that's it. Freedom. Alrighty, guys. Honestly, I wanted to do that. I know I look silly and all that stuff. To be honest with you, I don't care. But I wanted to share that with you guys because I'm done. I'm done with this house. $240 in an hour. Now it's like an hour and 10 minutes, but you guys get the point. Whoa. I was talking to the client. Very nice people I work for. I love it. Doesn't matter if you guys, just look at me, you guys. Look at this. I think it's a valid point to point out. I don't even wear a company shirt. I don't even wear a company shirt. I'm wearing an Adidas shirt because I'm comfortable in this shirt. Just got some shorts on. Got my Adidas shoes on. I'm just, honestly, I'm coasting. When I'm out here working, I'm just coasting. I'm not worried about nothing. I ain't stressed out about nothing. I used to take on bigger houses that were just huge, and they would take me all day, and then I would try to fit in another house or a simpler house like I'm doing now. So I don't stress out anymore. I just do houses that like I always say, like being very selective. That's what I focus on, just doing easy houses for me to do and not have to worry about nothing. You guys don't want to come to work and be stressed out like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to this other house and I'm gonna disappoint the client and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna get a bad review and all that stuff. Like, you guys don't want to worry about that stuff, So, in my opinion, that's what I did, and now this is what I'm doing now, and I'm less stressed. I'm totally less stressed because I just do easy houses. I find easy homes to do, with the exception of this one. You guys don't really see too many 2-story homes that I do because I don't really take them on anymore. But this house right here only has literally one 2nd-story window that I have to concern myself with, and it's a very easy window to do with a pole, and or even a water fed pole. But I love it. That's it. So if you guys want to start a new career, or you guys are tired of the job that you're at now, or if you're a teenager and you want to make some money, if you're in college or whatever the case is, honestly, start a window cleaning business and make some money.